This is the makeup I'm going to do today. I've done a little blue on my eyes. Hope you like it. So, shall we start? So, I'm going to have some fun with my eyes today. My makeup will be light, there will be some concealer. Let's see, maybe I'm going to go for some blue eyes, but not blue in your face, but still blue. So, I'm going to use this primer today. I've used it before once. It's the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. Just take a little bit, not much. If I need, I will increase it. I'm going to use the Studio Fix powder plus foundation on top of my eyes to mattify it. Then I'm going to take a very neutral brown. This is the Miss Claire's 0210. Uh, You'll always see me use a color like this or a neutral tone on top of my eyes. Don't consider it to be eyeshadow. It's just contouring my eye so that the eye makeup pops. Back to 04 brush, which I'm very loyal to because it makes my life easy, till the crease line. Now that's all I'm going to put on my upper eyelid. And before I do any other makeup, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my under eye. This is the MAC Smooth Wear 24-hour concealer. I'm going to just some here and on the parts of my face wherever I think I need it. And I'm going to use a sponge today. Then I'm going to use my Studio Fix. Okay, let me just make it clear once and for all. MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation is a foundation. It is a powder based foundation which is not in liquid form, obviously, but it's not a compact. So when you say I don't use foundation, no, I do, but it's light and it's in powder form. So I'm going to just use this. Now, before I do any more eye makeup, I'm going to freeze my eyebrows with the transparent gel set. Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette. It's a part of my collection. And I'm going to take this blue, the bright one. And I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm using a MAC pencil brush, but a pencil brush is universal. You type pencil brush, you get pencil brushes of all brands. And I've taken the blue. I'm lining my lower lash line towards the outer part. Now I'm going to mix this with a little bit of the darker blue, this shade. First I used this, now I'm going to use this. If you want, you can put some on top as well. I'm going to keep that a little light. Just a hint of it. I've mixed both the colors, both the blues onto my brush. It's already a bright color. I don't want to overdo it. But it's fun. That's it. So my eye makeup is done. the way I've put the blue, just remember the technique, and you can use a green, you can use a blue, you can use a purple, you can have fun. So, like I said, it's not about the brands I use, it's about the technique and the shape of the brushes, blah blah blah. I've said that all before. Okay, now next will be lips. So, for lipstick, I'm going to first take my favorite nude lip liner, Hype by K Beauty, and prime my lips. Now, I'm going to take a darker lip liner, MAC Plum, and this is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's by Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Very Victoria. Now we'll contour a little bit. So I'm taking the soft focus, warm, sweet. No, sorry. I'm using the soft focus, light, sweet, warm, light, shadester, shadowy, definitive contour palette by MAC. I don't even know if it's available anymore, but use any powder contour for daily use. And I'll use a shade that's like this. And I'm using the PAC 245 brush because it gives a soft contour. The secret to contouring is draw a 3 on your face, like this, this, and here. Just a little around my nose, nothing much. Whatever is left on my brush. I'm going to soften the contour with whatever little Studio Fix was left on my brush. This is, a lot of people have been asking me about this brush. I don't care. I use any powder brush. This is something I got from Body Shop. I liked the shape, so I picked it up. So I'm using this blush on called Dainty by MAC. It's very light and I really like it. It's very mild. It's a cute color. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish highlighter called Soft and Gentle. This is how it looks. Little on my nose, and my temple, and my makeup is done. Do give it a try. Tell me how you pulled it off. I'm going to try all the looks that I usually do, and every time I go out, I do the makeup on camera just for you guys. I appreciate all the love I've been getting. I used to do this before, I stopped in the middle, and now I'm back with a bang.